It's your special day, time to celebrate. Best birthday to you, you're the star today. Happy best birthday, dear Abby. Blessed birthday to you. May your dreams come true, Abby, your dreams come true. May your dreams come true, Abby. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Sir Minic! Happy birthday! Aabangan ko yung pakape mo, ha?
Minic, happy 50th birthday. So 50 ka na, pero ikaw na lang ang mukhang baby face sa atin. Anyway, wish ko sa'yo, Minic, sana stay happy, no? Gawin mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. And then syempre stay healthy, no? Sana maging healthy ka pa at maraming birthday pa ang dumating sa'yo, no? So gusto ko na lang din magpasalamat sa'yo, Minic, no? Dahil isa ka sa tumulong, nagturo, di ba, sa akin dyan sa Dibold. At hanggang ngayon tayong dalawa na lang ang natitira dyan. So ikaw na lang ang kumpare ko natira dito sa Dibold, no? So salamat sa pagkakaibigan, no, natin. At yun lang, sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to na special para sa iyo. Again, happy birthday. Thank you, Minic.
Happy birthday, Ninong Minic!
Hi, Sir Minic. Happy birthday. Sana mailibre mo kami. Yun ang inantay ko sa buffet o kaya sa seaside. Ayun. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday! 50 ka na pala. Anyways, sana lagi kang healthy. Happy birthday ulit!
Hi! Hello! Happy birthday, Sir Minic!
To be loved and to be loved, and all I can do is say that these arms were made for holding you. And I wanna love like you made me feel when we were 18.
Hello po, Sir Minic. Kumusta po kayo? Sir, happy birthday! Gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng guidance at support na binigay niyo po sa akin mula noon and even hanggang ngayon. I remember that I was very new and ignorant sa buhay Manila noon since I'm from Davao and that was my very first time in Metro Manila. Pero hindi po ito naging mahirap sa akin dahil simply you were there. Hindi lang bilang isang supervisor, higit sa lahat bilang isang kaibigan na laging nandyan. Malaking parte ka po ng journey ko, Sir Minic. When I entered the seminary at kailangan ko na namang pumunta dito sa Manila para mag-aral, you did not even hesitate na sunduin ako sa airport, pakainin as always, at ihatid sa monastery. Sir Minic, always remember that I am always here for you. We may not communicate so often right now, pero alam niyo pong nandito lang ako para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pinagsamahan natin. Isa ka po sa napakagandang blessing na binigay ng Diyos sa aking buhay. Hanggang ngayon po, baon-baon ko pa rin po yung mga natutunan ko po sa inyo. Ikaw po isang mapagmahal at supportive na kaibigan, mapagmahal na anak sa kanyang mga magulang, mabait na kapatid at tito. May God bless you more and more, sir. Good health po and many more happiness in life. Enjoy your special day po ngayon. You deserve all the love and joy today. Happy birthday po ulit, Sir Minic. Miss ko na po kayo. You can visit me here.
Happy birthday po, Sir Minic. Miss na namin yung miso soup.
Happy 50th birthday, Sir Minic. Grabe, 50 pa lang pala kayo po. Enjoy your day po.
Happy birthday, Sir Minic! Happy birthday! May this birthday be the start of your best and yet filled with new adventure and exciting opportunities and endless happiness. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sir Minic! Happiest birthday! I wish ko for you, syempre, more birthdays to come. And bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay na may mabuting kalusugan. Happy birthday ulit! Parang masarap magkape ngayon Happy birthday!
Hello, Sir Minic! Happy birthday! Please know that you're a blessing to the AMS. I'm grateful to have a friend like you. Thank you for your kindness. May God continue to bless you abundantly, especially with good health. You're the best!
Baby, I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect for you.
Happy birthday!
If you like midnight driving with the windows down, if you like going places we can't even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, baby, you're perfect.
Happy birthday, Sir Minic! We wish you all the best things in life, more blessings to you,